got the key. Let's check the farm stand after I upped cinnamon rolls and added about, I think it ended up being about, for sure 10, maybe 12 loaves. And we had a community garage sale and it was super busy today. I have been outside all day. If you're around the Colorado area, what are we, like a zone 5B? We've just been cleared to plant and I have been outside going crazy. I feel like I'm covered in a layer of dirt and it's fantastic, but let's see how we did. I'm nervous. Okay, we have 3 cookies. We have a lot of cranberry sun loaves. They're cranberry sunflower seed. A few there, man. Jalapeno cheddar, a few of those, and a couple sourdough. Why? Oh, you guys. Well, it is Saturday. I do have something to open for tomorrow, so I'm not complaining. I got a little spoiled the last couple weekends. I've got some candied pecans and all my eggs are gone. So really good day. I was out here, you guys, earlier. It's community garage sale, so it's like super busy, just talking to a bunch of people. I don't know if any of my candied pecans sold. I'll show you. Someone left me a note and said 1 dozen cookies, left a roll of quarters. I got a lot of quarters. Let's see how we did. Well, thank yous. Good afternoon, Andy and Pam. Evelyn Blanco, thank you. Sourdough and eggs, thank you. Carla Turney, first time at the Roost. Can't wait to try the chocolate chip cookies. Thanks for being so trusting. Oh, thank you, Carla. And love this little stand. I come by every time I visit my sister. Thank you. Bought eggs and sourdough. Linen spray. Greeley gal. So cute. 2 eggs, cookies. I love it when people like write down and then like what they leave me. It's like, I just feel like it's just people trying to be honest and awesome. I'm parched. Okay. You know what? Are all my cinnamon rolls gone? Yeah, I had like some stacked down there, you guys. All the cinnamon rolls are gone. Okay. Cash box. Today was funny too because it was like a lot of cash buyers because there's a lot of people garage sailing. And then like last week was really heavy on Venmo. So it's just really interesting to see the trends, but it makes sense because of the cash. Because I mean, people are coming out for a giant neighborhood community garage sale. You come with some cash. Locked back up. I really thought we were going to get storms today, but we didn't, and they kind of blew past us, so that was really nice because I was prepared to like wrap the stand and stuff because they were talking about pretty good storms. You guys, I never went out and put that sign out where the accident was. My husband's like all freaking out, like doesn't even want me putting signs out there because there's wrecks there all the time. I need to put little sandbags or something on this, you guys, to keep it. It always falls down. That's nice, Carly. Bang it around. Okay. I don't think cranberry sunflower seed is very popular. Nuts. Honestly, I had it. I had it on hand and I wanted to use it. That's why I chose it. Was a little nervous, but today I talked to a lot of people around the neighborhood that love the stand, and I think I had a few people that from the community garage sale that might be new customers. So I think it was a really good day. I have enough to like make it worthwhile for people to come tomorrow, which is nice. We'll see if we sell out of our bread tomorrow. If not, I'm going back to 30 flipping loaves again. Happy Saturdays. Cheers, guys.